tagal-tagal ko na dito. May lyrics. Ano?
Tito Galo, our home, Mrs. Maniago, our mom, and us club members, your family. Today is the day for the people of our dear brother and sisters in the year. For their long time of effort, faith, and dedication to this club, each of them deserves to be awarded for their individual uniqueness. Let me start with the Graffiti Award. This award will be given for her great hand skills and those good at art, she still remains an Itagado member. This is awarded for Ate Sarah.
Yes, Ate Sarah. What is the stage na lang?
Ayaw na, taas ko dyan. Next will be the Susan Award.
Wow!
Otherwise known as Super Uber Sexy. I guess you know who she is now. Ay, nag-expect Ate Charlie. Sorry, wala kang sticker ka nasira, hindi ko naayos.
Jota eh, Jota. Ay, Jota.
Sexy back.
Kung ayaw maniwala, bawiin.
Ayaw na ibigay sa'yo, Ate Charlie. Ayaw na ibigay sa'yo.
Ayaw nila. Basta sumama na sila.
Bigay mo na lang. Sabi.
Huwag ako ron.
For the PSSA Award, this will be given to Ate Ana. This award is otherwise known as Parating Straight sa Amin Award.
Sorry.
Lahat kayo nagsira.
Nasira talaga siya. Nasira.
So lang hindi sira.
Ayoko magsuot.
Hindi ka naman.
Puto.
Ay, hindi na.
Kamu na! Ay, tupa yan!
For the Hippie Award, this is awarded for a girl who's a happy-going girl. Never will you see her frown. And that's Happy Eddie.
Kada!
Kasi Ima.
Real talaga yun. Uy, si Kuya Francis.
Ako.
For the MIA Award.
Huwag na.
An award meant meeting in action. This will be awarded to Kuya Friday, who's been absent almost all the time, but never will he betray us. Never will forget us, and yes, will he always love us. For Ate Ima, Tatak E, or Tatak Entablado should I say. She's no other than Ate Ima. She's deep dedication in this club was very evident. No wonder she really deserves this award. Wala kang Carla. Award.
Absent.
Kathy Carla Dash Award. This will be given to our dear ate who had been so quiet but can fully express the personality to do the given role for her. This is Ate Carla. Wait, meron pa. Wow, may pins kami. May pins talaga. Pins talaga kami. Kick out.
Kick out na kami.
May award daw siya. Ayoko!
Tigos?
Pinakit sa badge. Pitan niyo yung badge niyo.
Tingnan lang pa. Pinapaalis na tayo.
Ayos ko. Paulen.
Saan ka na kick out?
Paulen.
Bigay ko kay...
We are expecting some speech from everyone.
Okay, simula na.
Mami, ikaw na lang.
Hindi, kayo muna. Wala pa akong maisip.
Hindi kayo saan.